Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Today we are going to try some pork chop barbecue with Cuban style marinades. I will show you the marinade that is needed for this recipe. Same thing for the salad. So let's go start. So before we get to do our marinade mix, we are going to get some fresh oregano and cilantro out from my garden. Okay, so there is my cilantro. Cut up some leaves here. So for this marinade, we need a blender to blend all our ingredients. And so this is all what we need. We have 1/3 cup of olive oil. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 tablespoon of orange zest, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons and a half of lemon juice, 1/4 cup orange juice, 3 garlic cloves fresh, and few slices of jalapeno peppers. And then of course our cilantro, fresh cilantro, and our oregano. So we'll blend this all together, and that's what we put to marinate our pork chop. So now we're going to apply or cover our pork chop with the marinade we made. The pork chop, by the way, is around 20 ounces. So we have 3 pieces of pork chop. This is bone in, so there's a bone. And before we forget, we'll save 1/4 cup of the marinade for our salad later. Okay, so we'll save that for later, and whatever is left that we're gonna use for the pork chop. So we'll just spread it on our pork chop, just like that. Smells good. And one other side. Okay. So we'll just marinate this for at least an hour before we barbecue. Put this in a barbecue. You just have to cover it and wait for an hour to marinate. So for our salad, we are gonna have 8 ounce asparagus. We're going to barbecue that with our pork chop. We have some fresh cilantro, 1/2 cup cherry tomato slices, thinly sliced red onion, 1 avocado, and the 1/4 cup of the marinade we save, and that's for our salad dressing. And we're going to add fresh radishes from my garden, and we're gonna go pick it up right now. So I have some fresh radishes left on my garden. I haven't harvested yet, so I guess we can add it to the mix. Let's go get it. Here we go. If you can see, I have some here that's ready to be picked. Look at how fresh that is. And there's one more. These are just few left because I harvested last 2 weeks ago. And that's matured enough to be taken out because my cabbage is overcrowding now and it's covering my radishes. I think that's it. The rest is done. Okay, let's go put this in our salad. Just have to clean this up, wash it, and that's another good addition for my salad. There you go. That's good enough for my salad. So for our asparagus, we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper before we stick it into our barbecue. Some oil, salt and pepper. Mix it up a little bit so the oil can get to all our asparagus. And that's it. It should be set for barbecue. So the pork chop is marinating for an hour ready. We'll go set up our barbecue to 350 degrees and we're gonna cook our pork chop. So our asparagus is ready. We're taking it out. It's been cooking for at least 4 or 5 minutes. Then we're going to flip our pork chop on one side. And that's another 4 to 5 minutes to cook. So there you go, we already cut this all up. Now we can mix it with our rest of the salad. Ingredients. Oops. There we go. Now we're going to pour in our salad dressing. Mix it up. It looks so good. so excited to try this. Salad is ready. This is the result of our barbecue pork chop and salad, Cuban style. It looks so good and it smells so good. Oh, my mouth is watering right now. I have to try this. Let's try it. It's really good. Tastes fresh. The herbs, the spices really blend together really well. And there's a little bit of kick from the jalapeno, and you can really taste everything that was mixed there. It's really good. So thank you guys for much watching my video. Hope you like it and try this recipe. It's really good. It's refreshing. This is something new for me because I usually just use the regular soya vinegar or lemon marinade. This time I try this one with the fresh herbs and everything really blends well and it's really good. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.